Hey there, my fellow fitness enthusiasts. You're in for a treat today because I've got some mind-blowing secrets to share that will help you crush your fitness goals like never before. I'm talking about simple routines that will take your workouts to the next level and transform your body in ways you never imagined. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Picture this. You wake up in the morning feeling energized and motivated, knowing that you're about to embark on a fitness journey that will leave you feeling stronger, healthier, and more confident. You lace up your shoes and head to the gym or step into your living room. Because yes, these routines can be done anywhere, armed with the knowledge of the most effective exercises to maximize your results. First up, let's talk numbers. Did you know that just 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise a day can significantly improve your cardiovascular health? That's right. By incorporating simple activities like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling into your daily routine, you're giving your heart a workout it deserves. Not only will this help you shed those extra pounds, but it'll also reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain types of cancer. Talk about incredible benefits, right? But wait, there's more. If you're looking to tone those muscles and build strength, I've got a routine that will have you feeling like a superhero. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships for this one. With just your body weight and a set of dumbbells, you'll be amazed at the transformations you can achieve. We're talking sculpted arms, chiseled abs, and legs that could rival a Greek god or goddess. And don't worry, ladies, you won't bulk up like a bodybuilder. Instead, you'll develop lean, sleek muscles that will have you feeling confident in any outfit. So, what are you waiting for? Stick around for part 2 of this video, where I'll reveal the exact exercises and techniques you need to incorporate into your routine to start seeing results. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Get ready to take charge of your fitness journey and unlock the incredible potential within you. Stay tuned, and let's make those fitness goals a reality together. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into these simple routines that are guaranteed to skyrocket your fitness goals. You see, the key to success lies in consistency and variety. By incorporating a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts into your regimen, you'll create a well-rounded approach that targets different areas of your body and keeps you engaged. Cardiovascular exercises get your heart pumping and your blood flowing, which not only burns calories, but also improves your endurance. Whether you choose to jump rope, dance, or try high-intensity interval training, HIIT, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. This can be split into shorter sessions throughout the day, making it easier to fit into your busy schedule. Strength training, on the other hand, helps build lean muscle mass, increase your metabolism, and boost your overall strength. Don't worry, you won't turn into the Incredible Hulk overnight. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks into your routine, gradually increasing the resistance or weight as you get stronger. And let's not forget about flexibility. Stretching not only improves your range of motion, but also prevents injuries and muscle imbalances. Take a few minutes each day to stretch major muscle groups such as your legs, back, shoulders, and chest. Yoga and Pilates are fantastic options for improving flexibility while also toning your body. Now I know you're itching to learn more, but unfortunately, we're out of time for this video. However, fear not. In the next video, we'll dive into the specific exercises, sets, and reps that will help you crush your fitness goals like never before. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. We'll uncover the secret to targeting those trouble areas, reveal effective tips for maintaining motivation, and introduce you to some game-changing equipment and tools. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because the next video is going to be the most exciting and informative one yet. Get ready to take your fitness journey to new heights. Remember, consistency is key, and with these simple routines, you'll be well on your way to achieving the body and the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.